So if it happens to you that your Facebook account got disabled, just like it happened to me, then this video is for you. You have to watch from start to finish. Because as you can see, my account got disabled. I logged in and I started saying stuff like, your account has been disabled. For more information, please visit the Help Center. Your account was disabled on 1st of July 2026. If you think that your account was disabled by mistake, you can submit, all this write-up, and the next thing they ask you to go to Help Center or download your information, because after 30 days, everything will be deleted. So if you click on go to Help Center, this is what you will see. And sincerely speaking, I'm not sure this is what you actually want to see, because at the end of the day, you will be surprised that nothing would happen, because your account has been disabled and now you have to, check out community guidelines, because there is no form to fill, there is no way to reach out to support. You are just there on your own. In some cases, they will ask you to click like it was not helpful, so that it could prompt you to tell them what to feel and everything. So that's the way it has worked for some people, but it often works when your account has been suspended. But in this case, you have to click on community standards, read it through. That's what Facebook wants you to do. But what our advice is, instead of going through all these jargons written by Facebook, there are two things. Number one, you can just give up and forget about the account and create a new one, or you take the bold step and you compose a compelling message like the one I composed for Facebook. I'll write it in the description section. You can just copy it, edit it to taste, and use it for your own. So instead of going through all this community standard, it's so long that everything got boring and all. You can just simply type a message, and then you're going to go to your, what will I call it, your Gmail account, and post the message there. So let's try that right now. I'm still trying, from the community message, you still see that everything will bounce back to this page of your account being disabled, whether you use a system or use a phone or whatever it is, and there is no option to appeal like you are saying. So let's go straight to Google account, and this is it. So I sent this appeal for account reinstatement to Facebook, and after 5 days I got a response and my account was reactivated. So you can also try it. Like I said, you're going to see the appeal in in the description section. You can copy it, edit it to taste, and send to Facebook with immediate effect. So if this is your first time watching our videos, please make sure to subscribe. I would like to see you in the next video. And if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section or reach out to me on Telegram or WhatsApp, and I'll be happy to respond to your questions. Thank you very much for watching once again, and bye for now.